Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to receive Bitcoin on your Cash application. So first of all, of course, if you don't have Cash application on your phone, just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, or even App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then all you need to do, just go and sign up to create your, or sign in to create your account. If you already have an account, of course, just ignore all of it, enter or log into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So first of all, it must just tell you that Cash application is currently working just on the United States. So if you are not from there, you can just check a video on our channel on how to make it work, or even sign in, or even download it on your app or your phone if you can't do that. So as I said, if you want to receive Bitcoin, or you can also receive Bitcoin from any wallet using the blockchain or the Cash application. So all you need to do, just tap at the Bitcoin tab on your Cash application home screen. Just go here at this USD, go click on it and click at Bitcoin here. So as you can see here, you can maybe buy Bitcoin. As you can see here, if you scroll down, you will find maybe the chart of Bitcoin of 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, of course 1 year, and all the time if you want. So we don't care about that much. So as you can see here, display currency, which is BTC, which is Bitcoin. And as you can see here, you can get a cash card, you can read the story of Bitcoin, you can learn how the word loading cryptocurrency got started, and of course Bitcoin service by block, you can click on that and see. But as I said, I'm not interested in that. All I want is to receive my Bitcoin. So of course you would like to verify your identity by enabling blockchain withdrawal and deposit to external wallet. So if you click at get started, as you can see, we need a little more information to enable withdrawal and deposits. If you click on next, as you can see here, you would like to confirm your phone number. So after confirming your phone number, let me just add mine. Make sure after, of course, add in your phone number, just go and click at next. So as you can see here, if you add any phone number from other than US, you can see here this number cannot be used to receive SMS messages. So all you need to do is just go and use a temporary number from maybe a website or something. And then all you need to do is just enter it here, then click at next. Then all you need to do is just tap at the Bitcoin tab on your Cash application home screen again, then tap at the airplane button, choose the deposit Bitcoin, then copy or share your Cash app Bitcoin address with an external wallet. You can also scan the QR code for the destination Bitcoin wallet address, and you will be good to go. So that will be for the video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.